Hi everyone and welcome back to Zenful Being. It is Ash. Today I have another important topic for you guys. I'll be discussing how to build genuine connections, a guide to creating positive relationships. Number 1, embrace this golden rule. Treat others how you want to be treated. Treat others with the consideration that you desire. Imagine the warmth of a friendly smile, the power of genuine compliments, and the joy of being noticed and heard. These are things that I personally desire, and I'm sure that you do too. So extend these gestures to others, fostering a culture of mutual respect. Number 2, practice kindness. The art of kindness is often simpler than we make it. In a world where everyone has their own experiences, approach all your interactions with gentleness. Realize that a lot of people are facing unseen challenges, and let your kindness be the beacon that brightens their day. Number 3, embrace acceptance. In life, nobody is better than you, and you're not better than anybody else. In the grand tapestry of life, no one is superior to another. Embrace the understanding that everybody is on their unique journey with distinct choices and lifestyles. Be accepting and allow others space to pursue their own happiness and growth. Number 4, cultivate curiosity. Engage in conversations that go beyond the surface level chatter. Shift the focus off of yourself and express genuine interest in the other person. Ask thoughtful questions. This allows people to share their genuine thoughts, experiences, and aspirations. Number 5, master the art of listening. This is what they teach you in psychology. Actively listen when other people are speaking to you. Let your attention be a gift and resist the urge to drift into your own thoughts during mid-conversation. By acknowledging and understanding others, you affirm their value and significance. Number 6, foster open-mindedness. Embrace this diverse world of opinions and beliefs. Just as you cherish freedom to be yourself, extend that courtesy to others. Embrace the rich tapestry of perspectives that make human connections so vibrant and enlightening. Number 7, acknowledge and smile. Take a moment to notice those around you, even strangers. A simple smile communicates acknowledgement and appreciation of the shared experience of existence. Recognize the beauty in the shared journey. Appreciate the complexity and beauty that each individual brings to the world. Number 8, stop the comparison game. Celebrate the diversity of beauty that exists in this world. Refrain from judging others from superficial criteria. Instead, appreciate the inherent beauty in every individual and recognize that everyone is grappling with their own challenges. Avoid the trap of comparing your journey to theirs. Each path is uniquely challenging and rewarding. So these are all my tips to build genuine connections and how to make people like you. So if you like this video and found it helpful, please leave a big thumbs up, share with someone who it will help, comment down below your favorite key point, and make sure to subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.